Are you looking for a side hustle that doesn't require too much time or investment but can generate some serious cash? Well, look no further because we've got the perfect solution for you: creating a newsletter. That's right, newsletters aren't just for providing value to your subscribers or promoting your products. They can also be a lucrative source of income if you know how to monetize them correctly. And in this video, we'll show you how to make money with a newsletter. Whether you are a freelancer, a blogger, a content creator, or a small business owner. So sit back, grab your notepad, and get ready to turn your newsletter into a money-making machine. Let's get into the first section about why newsletters are a gold mine for monetization. First, newsletters have high open and click-through rates, which means that subscribers are more likely to engage with your content and take action on your offers. According to research, the average open rate for newsletters is around 20%, while the click-through rate is around 3%. Secondly, newsletters provide a targeted and engaged audience that has already shown interest in your brand or niche. Unlike social media or search engine marketing, where you have to compete for attention and visibility, newsletters allow you to communicate directly with your subscribers and deliver personalized and relevant content. Thirdly, newsletters are a low cost and low effort marketing channel compared to other options such as paid advertising or SEO. All you need to start a newsletter is an email marketing service, a list of subscribers, and some content ideas. You can create and distribute your newsletter from anywhere, anytime, without spending a lot of money or time. Regarding monetization strategies, there are several ways you can make money with a newsletter. One popular option is to sell ad space, where you allow other businesses or brands to place their ads in your newsletter for a fee. This can be a win-win situation for both parties, as you get additional revenue while the advertisers get exposure to your audience. Another option is to offer sponsored content, where you write or feature content that promotes a particular product or service in exchange for a fee. This can work well if you have a strong and loyal following that trusts your recommendation and values your newsletter. Affiliate marketing is another monetization strategy that involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale or action made through your unique affiliate link. This can be a lucrative option if you choose products or services that align with your brand and audience interests and needs. Lastly, you can monetize your newsletter by launching your own products or services such as ebooks, courses, coaching, or consulting. This allows you to leverage your expertise and authority in your niche and create more value for your subscribers. You can also offer premium content or membership that provides exclusive or additional benefits to your subscribers in exchange for a fee. Let's move on to the second section about the steps you need to follow to create a newsletter that monetizes. First, you need to choose a niche or topic that you are passionate and knowledgeable about and that has a demand or interest from your target audience. This can be anything from health and wellness, personal finance, marketing, or entertainment. Next, you need to create a compelling value proposition that communicates the benefits and value of your newsletter to your target audience. This can include your unique selling proposition, your target audience, your content format and frequency, and your monetization strategy. Thirdly, you need to choose an email marketing service that fits your needs and budget. There are many options available such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, and more. You should consider factors such as pricing, features, ease of use, and integration with other tools and platforms. Fourth, you need to build your email list by creating opt-in forms and lead magnets that incentivize people to subscribe to your newsletter. This can include free resources, exclusive content, discounts, or a welcome series that introduces your brand and value proposition. Fifth, you need to create and deliver high quality and engaging content that resonates with your audience and aligns with your value proposition. This can include articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, or any other format that suits your niche and audience. Lastly, you need to implement your monetization strategy and test and optimize it based on your results and feedback. This can involve experimenting with different ad formats, sponsored content, affiliate offers, or your own products or services. You should also track your metrics and analytics such as open and click-through rates, conversions, revenue, and other customer feedback. This brings us to the third section about the tips and best practices for monetizing your newsletter. First, you should focus on building a strong and engaged email list that values your content and trusts your recommendations. This can involve segmenting your list based on demographics, interest, behavior, or engagement level, and tailoring your content to the offers accordingly. Second, you should prioritize delivering value and relevance to your subscribers consistently. This can involve creating a content calendar or editorial plan that aligns with your niche and value proposition and includes a mix of promotional and educational content. To create a content calendar, you can use a project management tool like agencywork.io, linked in the description. Thirdly, you should experiment with different monetization strategies and formats to find the ones that work best for your brand and audience. This can involve testing different ad placements, sponsored content formats, affiliate offers, or different pricing models. Fourth, you should track and analyze your metrics and analytics regularly to measure your performance and identify areas for improvement. This can involve using tools like Google Analytics, email marketing software, or third-party plugins and apps. Lastly, you should stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in email marketing and monetization and adapt your strategy and tactics accordingly. This can involve attending industry events, following experts and influencers in your niche, or joining online communities and forums. In summary, newsletters are a goldmine for monetization because of their high engagement and targeting, low cost and effort, and various monetization strategies that suit different business models and goals. The key is to choose the right strategy that aligns with your brand and audience and delivers value and relevance consistently. I help businesses and entrepreneurs launch and grow successful newsletters that engage and build an audience interested in your business. I offer newsletter design and setup, customized growth strategies, high quality content creation, targeted subscriber lead generation, and regular analytics for the newsletter. A newsletter will help you build stronger relationships with your current clients and grow your business by promoting your products and signing new clients from the newsletter. Additionally, you can earn advertising revenue from the newsletter sponsors. If launching or growing your newsletter is something you may be interested in, book a call with me on socialytics.com, which is linked in the description.